This is a woodworking bench vise. I'm going to install it on my workbench here and show you how to use it. This is the hardware and the other accessories that it comes with. It comes with these instructions, and this right here is a template. It has all the dimensions that you need to make the block and put the holes in the right places for the block. These are Forstner drill bits that I use to make these holes. They come with the kit, and it's just two different sizes. You need the larger one for the center, the smaller one for the sides. This one is 1 inch up from the bottom of the board, and in the center, of course, of these two holes, which are 5.5 inches apart, and these are the smaller bit to make these. Okay, this block is going to end up being mounted right down inside here through these. To do that, you have to take it apart. So you pull these screws out, and then you'll be able to pull this block off and put the wooden block in and then reassemble it. So you twist the center threaded rod enough that that other piece comes off, and then you can thread this onto it. And make sure I do it right. And if you've got your holes right, it should go all the way up to the end like that. Okay, now I have this mounted in place like this, but I'm going to mount it using these screws through here. So I'm going to drill a pilot hole here and then put the screws through to tighten this board up against this block. The kit comes with a nut driver that's the right size for the lag screws that we have to put in. Okay, with the same driver but with longer screws, I've put screws up through this and into the bottom of my workbench here. There's 4 of them, 4 screws. And now this attaches here as like that. And then when we twist this, it goes in. This piece is the crank. So I'm going to twist this off, put it through the hole, and then tighten it again. Okay, this handy little device is spring-loaded, so you can pull on it. And what it does is we're going to screw this into the end of here. There's a nut on it as a spacer. So when I've got that in and tight, now this locks in place in the center. And if I want to move it to one side for more leverage, I can pull this little spring out and then I can slide it. And then I can use this longer for leverage. But then if I want it just to spin and stay in the center, this spring-loaded pin keeps it in the center there. So now, this is my vise. So I can just spin it to get it to close. When I want to work on something, I can stick a board in there. I can tighten that down. Holds it super firm, super secure. I can make it even more tight if I want to, but I don't need to. It's tight enough. I was gifted this. I think it's fantastic. I think the engineering and the machining are just extremely accurate and perfect. It's heavy duty, it's sturdy, it's smooth. I like everything about it.